The first page is the associate page. If you are out, you can click go and continue. The second page is the watch matching page. You need to turn on the mobile phone Bluetooth. And the third page is the Bluetooth search page, searching for the watch device and close to your device. On page 4, the watch is matched successfully, and the ID provided, which is the correlation ID of the Garmin on page 1. The fifth page is the body record page, including the setting, back time, sleep time, and heart rate and skin temperature. In the bottom option box include body, map, and SOS. Click to the setting back time. You can fill in the time yourself, and it will remind you on time. If you do not move, your family will receive the message. And click the map. And here you can see your route, time, and location. Click on the search location. We can navigate the address. Click the SOS. The app will get confirmation. It will send you location and then inform the guardian, the police, and the hospital. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
So today I'm going to interview from this app. So this is my first page. It's like if you go to outside to like fishing or some activity, you can use this app and to match your watch and open the mobile phone, the Bluetooth, to find your watch, and this watch will provide an ID number. This ID number, if your family can associate your ID number in the first page, so they can know you like heart rate, skin temperature, and some sleep hours, and you can use the app setting the back time. If you fishing outside, fishing in mountain, you want setting maybe 6 p.m. and you go home. So when the time is 6 p.m., the watch and app will notice you. So and the map is you can click the map and you can know your route when you're from home and to the mountain. This route you can know navigate your map. Yeah, you can go somewhere and use this map and search the location address. And if you miss some dangers, like you can click the SOS. They will call to your family and your emergency contact and police and hospital. So they will find you.
So when you send the SOS, the family will see on the map where you are, right? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
So
what is this? There's the set time?
Yeah, you can set time. You like here 6 p.m. when this is like an alarm.
I see.
Yeah, like an alarm.
I see.
Because this alarm, the function is the alarm will notice you, but this alarm is when 6 p.m. If you don't go home, it will send a message to your family.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. So this means that your family needs to have the family, and you need to have the app in order to access it. So it's like a communication between the two apps on two different separate locations.
This ID is your watch ID.
My
so your
watch
family
ID.
can associate your watch ID. So no.
For example, I begin. So they know now my watch ID.
Yeah.
What if I want to suddenly block them from seeing where I'm going? How can I do that? There is no block function here. That would make more sense, because otherwise there's a lot of privacy concerns and issues. But other than that, I think it's you've done beautiful work. I mean, this is really very smart, very, very good.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So it's very impressive. Very impressive work. Yes.
So, do you have any suggestion for this?
Beyond that, no. I think if you change those two things, I think you block button number 1, so that you can block your access at any point, and also the thing about SOS as well. It's a little bit. The SOS button would make more sense if it automatically would dial not your family, but but 000. You press SOS, it dials 000 straight away, so that you get access to the police. Because if it is a true emergency, wasting time first calling your parents who might not be home, they might be somewhere else, it's a problem. So this button has to be linked to 000, in my personal opinion. And what happens is, it then sends, you can also send the location to your parents. That's fine, that's no problem. Because you've already shared this, so they can access you at any time. You can send a message, but the purpose of the SOS is to get immediate assistance. So it has to be the police, it has to be the emergency services.
Yeah, very emergency.
Very emergency, yeah, that's right.